Right then, today guys, we're gonna do some turnovers from store-bought puff pastry. We're gonna kind of put a little spin on it and do some pizza style ones, so with some pepperoni and different things. So yeah, this is how you do it. So I've got one roll of puff pastry, so roll it out. All we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this into 6 sections, so they don't need to be completely accurate. I think as long as they're there or thereabouts, then it's going to be absolutely fine. So 2 cuts lengthwise and then 1 straight through the middle. Those are our turnover pastry squares. Now you can load these up with whatever you want. It's very, very versatile. Just whatever your favourite pizza topping is really. But obviously the base is going to come from tomato. So I've got tomato puree into a bowl. And what I'm going to do is just add a drop of water into this, just to loosen it up slightly. A little bit of Italian mixed herbs. You can get some salt and pepper in there as well. Just give this a mix around. All the water just loosens it up a little bit, so it isn't like a thick kind of paste. Just makes it a little bit more easy to spread. Then just kind of spread this all over. A touch of cheese on the bottom. This is mozzarella. And again, the world really is your oyster on this. You can use whatever you want. Got some slices of pepperoni here. Yeah, use whatever pizza topping you want. Obviously not ham and pineapple though. I'm a fan of a little kick, so a little bit of chilli on there. Some more cheese on there, on the top. I reckon this is probably quite a nice little thing you could do with your kids as well. Once you're happy with your toppings, then we can fold these over. So you just take corner to corner and fold it over like that. I like to just push the corners together, otherwise they tend to open up as the pastry cooks in the oven. What we're going to do now is just give these a little egg wash. If you haven't got an egg, you could use a little bit of milk, or even just a little brush of veg oil, maybe. Just gonna use a little brush all over. So these are ready for the oven, 180 until golden brown. I'm just leaving them on the paper. And they can go straight into the oven, just like that. These have been in the oven now for about 15 minutes at 180, and just look at the absolute state of them. I've got a little bit of basil here. Again, that's optional. You don't have to use it, but just some of the leaves on there, just to make it look pretty. And there you have it, pizza turnovers. Enjoy.